y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another Scraps to Embellishment video. Today's theme is Little Buckaroo, so it said anything Western, and I was trying to decide what I was going to do for this one, but I decided to keep it simple and just do this title that says Howdy, Howdy, y'all, because what's more Western than saying howdy, howdy, partner. And we're just going to put this together. So pretty much this is the only pieces there are. I cut it on my Cricut. I've had to save some time this go round because of surgery and stuff. So we're just going to keep it simple and put it together. So I just created a shadow. I kind of just put this together with different things from the Cricut what's it called? Design Studio or whatever they call it. And I found the Howdy on there, and it had some other stuff attached, and I just closed that off so I didn't see it, and then copied the Howdy and resized it, put it in a different color, and then added the y'all with the font that I liked. So, super, super easy. This is probably going to be one of the fastest ones that I have ever done. And I decided not to ink it. I totally could, but I didn't, because I used texture cardstock, and I don't know if you can tell, but this one is embossed. It has little circles on it. I'll show it up close here in a minute, and I'll post pictures at the end also. So, y'all can see that. And here's this one. Put the little apostrophe in there. And voila, it's done. That's it. Super easy, super fun. I don't know if y'all can tell. It has the little dots on the big Howdy. But it's really cute. So, I hope you guys will play along. Sign up, start tomorrow over on Ginger's Corner for this group. And I did it in pink because, you know, I really like pink. And, of course, there's some little cowgirls out there. So, all y'all have to do to win one of these is leave me a comment below. So, leave me a comment. And until next time, bye, y'all.